Hello everyone, my name is Titania Iran from 11 Accounting 2. So today I want to make a procedure text how to make a cup of pop me. The ingredient that we need to make pop me is hot water and 1 cup pop me. So here's the step. So we must prepare the hot water first, and then we need to put out the seasonings package like this. And then pour the hot water to the cup of pop me. After that, we wait for it like 5 minutes. And the pop me is ready to serve. So that is step of how to make a cup of pop me. Thank you.